Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to the episode 3 of Little Notes from the Stars. Today we will discuss how to make space for the new energy. So first you have to understand that there is this rule that wherever there is a void, it will be filled. Either you will fill yourself by doing something, by acting on certain things, or if you would do nothing, if you would just sit with it, it would be filled by the universe. Because there is this basic rule that wherever there is unbalance of energy, it will be balanced out. Because everything, energy, moves from higher concentration to lower concentration. So if there is no concentration, like there is a void, it has to be filled. But for the void to be filled, you first need to create the void and then just surrender. And then it would be filled by the universe with new energy. Okay, so there are a lot of things like in your when you would do inner work, there are a lot of things that you are supposed to follow, like you are a certain state of mind, a certain thought process that you need to have, everything aside. But here today I am sharing this one little ritual you can do. So for that you would need to lay down, close your eyes, and take deep breath 5 to 7 times, and then visualize that your whole body is an empty vessel, and there it is not an empty vessel, it is just a vessel, and it there are a lot of black dark particles, matters inside this vessel, and they are spread all over your body. Now visualize, now inhale a very deep breath and visualize that you are inhaling the entire cosmos within you, that there is this sheet of cosmos, a whole huge fabric, and you're inhaling all of that within you. Now see that going inside your body, and every dark particle, dark matter is being tied to this fabric. This big, huge sheet is taking all the matter in it and tie a knot. And when you would see this, you would see a little small particles falling out of the sheet here and there. But take all the particles, like you would see certain particles are still stuck in the corner of your fingertips, maybe, or near your toes somewhere. But you take all it from everywhere. Be patient, be patient, however long it takes. Just take everything out and take everything in this fabric. Keep collecting, keep collecting. You would see things keep falling here and there. Have patience, keep collecting, keep picking them up again, and eventually you would see that you have collected everything in this fabric. And then now tie a knot and exhale through your mouth, a very big exhale, and just throw this entire thing out of your system. And imagine this is going in the outer space. It is gone. Everything, that every old rotten thing that was in your system previously is now not there. Now your vessel is empty, completely empty. Now you're not supposed to fill it with anything. It is now empty. So you are now at point zero. This is your restart. And now just have patience. Eventually, the empty vessel will be filled. And now, if you would not do things, if you would not have the desire to fill it with certain things, and if you would just surrender, then the universe will fill it based on where you are vibrating at. You just have to work on your energy, and the rest, everything else, is taken care of. And that is how you do it. So that was it. And yeah, that was it. So do this ritual and then tell me in the comments how did it made you feel, or anything. I did it many months ago, I guess even years ago, but it made some big changes. So I hope this works for you as well. Okay, so I will meet you again in a new video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you so much.